Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Mudhead, Patakin. When the enemies of Òrúnmìlà grew numerous and could not defeat him, they went to complain to Olódùmarè, telling him that Òrúnmìlà was doing many evil things to people. Olódùmarè, believing their words to be true, sent Iku to kill Òrúnmìlà and bring back his head. Around that time, Òrúnmìlà performed òsòdè, divination, and this Ifa came out, warning him that many bad things were approaching. He then prepared an abo with a rooster dedicated to Esu, akuko fifesu, a clay frying pan, a mud head, a gourd bowl, jikara, eku, rat, eya, fish, and other ingredients. After offering the rooster to Esu aligba, he placed the mud head inside the clay frying pan, covered it with another one, and left it in his room. When Iku arrived looking for Òrúnmìlà, he encountered Esu and said, Olódùmarè sent me to collect Òrúnmìlà's head, so tell me where he is so I can fulfill my mission. Esu replied, Òrúnmìlà knew that Olódùmarè was asking for his head, and as an obedient son, he hanged himself. Before doing so, he asked me to take his head and keep it safe for you to deliver to Olódùmarè. And Esu gave him the mud head. Iku returned to heaven carrying the package, but it began to rain. Then he thought, it's quite strange that Òrúnmìlà would kill himself. Let me see what kind of head Esu has given me. When he removed the lid from the ikoko pot, the rain had destroyed the head, so Iku could no longer recognize it. Iku arrived before Olódùmarè and said, My father, I don't know whether I have fulfilled your command or not, because Esu gave me a head, claiming it was Òrúnmìlà's, that he had hanged himself to fulfill your will. But on the way, the rain ruined it. If you wish, I can return to earth to see if Òrúnmìlà is alive or dead. Olódùmarè answered, There is no need to return to earth in search of Òrúnmìlà, for no one dies twice.